Once again, welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe to receive more. What you will require is welding machine, grinding machine, welding rod, and safety gadgets. Grinding is the most common type of material cutting and surface generation process. Mostly grinding process is used to shape and to provide better finishing parts of metals. Grinding process uses one abrasive tool to make controlled contact with workpiece surface. Normally, grinding wheel is used as abrasive tool in process of grinding. Grinding wheel will have grains of abrasive materials, and these grains of abrasive material will be termed as grit. Size of abrasive materials plays a very important role in grinding process, as larger sized grains will remove material faster from workpiece surface but will not provide better surface finish. Whereas smaller grain size will remove material slowly from workpiece surface but will provide better surface finish. The welding industry is not for everyone, as it is a very physically demanding and challenging job. This data in and of itself is solid evidence of welding's importance to our country's economic health, keeping the world strong both domestically and internationally. Welding is an essential component of many industries such as IMGS, the automotive industry, the construction industry, the aviation industry, and more. Without this form of metal work, so many things, including many buildings, gates, and fences, small kitchen appliances, vehicles, and even space travel, would not exist. 70% of all manufactured products are made with the skills of welders. However, it's a job that is essential to a wide variety of products and infrastructures, and one that plays an important role in various aspects of everyday life. A study discussed at EMSI found that the connection between welding and economic strength will continue to keep educated welders in high demand. This means that, if you're excited about this industry and all the opportunities it offers, now is a fantastic time to start a welding training program and get certified as a welder. Thank you for watching.